Hello again, it's Peter from Snow's Cooper Portsmouth, and I thought I'd just do a little bit of an intro video for you. Getting a number of customers actually asking about whether or not you can play video formats in the infotainment screens that we actually have in some of our models. And I just thought I'd show you a little bit more about how you can physically do that. So here goes. Right folks, so I'm going to take this particular car. So this is the Cupra Ateca. It's both the comfort, design and sound optioned vehicle. It's got a number of attributes to it, but more importantly it's the infotainment system that we're going to be looking at for the moment. So here we are then. So we've got our infotainment switched on at the moment, and you'll see I've also got my USB stick plugged in at the moment, and that's actually got a video file already stored on it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go into media, and I can use either the button on the dash or I can use the touchscreen media format. So we'll just select the button on the side, and then quite simply when we go into source, I'm actually requesting the information to come in from the USB, which is tucked down here, and you'll see that the screen is already set up, if you like, with an image on there. Now quite simply when I press play, that video is now going to run through with audio as well for me.
For many years, and it's always been that enthusiast brand within the main range.
There we go, and that's me just giving a bit of an interview with regards to our Cupra experience that we had at Silverstone.
Looking for something more aspirational. You've got the guys like today, they're more family orientated, so they're still looking to have that vehicle effectively that can give them that smile on the face every time they drive it down the road. And as I say, from a dealership point of view, I think Cupra is growing and it's appealing to the right kind of customer just at the right kind of time. So for me, it's a great place to be and to be part of.
So there you have it guys, how to actually run an MPV sort of video file through the infotainment system. Not all of our cars are compatible with this particular feature, but if it is something that you want to try out, by all means please do. So again, from the menu screen you can go into media. When you're into media you can go into source, you select the USB. From the USB it's then coming up with the selection, and I can select this one file that I've got on there, and then as you can see there, when I run it through the system with the play, there we go, and just come off the screen there, there we go, it should automatically start to play. There we go. And depending on obviously the memory that you've got in the USB stick will allow you obviously to store obviously greater files. So there you go. So there you have it guys, there's the opportunity to run MP4 files in the car. I think they're called MP4 files anyway, but they're video files. So rather than it being an MP3 file, which is an audio file, it's the MPV4, I believe it is. So yeah, it enables you to run video files through a USB stick in the infotainment system. Obviously the recommendation is not to play them when you're driving, but I appreciate some customers will want to review some of these video files that they've uploaded onto a USB stick for their own benefits in that sense. So drive safely, use the information in the correct way for driving on the road, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So thank you. Bye for now.